me. I'm already shivering before I ever even get into the water. That's good. Here she goes. Oh, are we gonna swim? Are we gonna swim? Oh, we're not swimming. Oh, she's trying. Oh my goodness. She's really confused. Lexi. Lexi, hi baby girl. Hi. Is Garrett giving you a good bath? Yeah? There goes the shampoo. Oh no, she's trying to get out. Oh my goodness. Wow. Little baby, that's not how you swim, Lexi. Yeah. Get her all sudsy. She's shaking. Poor little baby. Oh my god. She is not happy. Get those little feet. Hi. Oh, well, hello. Let's get her off of the cutting board. Hi. Are you all sudsy? Hi, Mama. I'll come see you soon. A big little nose. Oh, she's crying.
She's cold.
She is cold. She doesn't like it.
No, don't drink that.
No, we don't drink that water. Oh, look at those little ears. Oh, that's cold. It's a little chilly. No wonder she's cold. She's crying. She swims goofy. You haven't quite gotten it down yet, have you? No, I know. It's okay. It's okay. What's she doing, little girl? Oh, no. We don't climb out. Oh, she's doing the paw thing too. What? Can you come to me? Oh. Remember Ollie did that in hers? I think she's actually a little taller than Ollie. Aww. Here we go. Rinse them off really good. You're such a cutie. Yeah, get her underside. Okay, we're done. We're going to dry her off. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Love you. Bye-bye.